Here you go. Come put your apron on. We're gonna have to tighten it up because right now it's not even covering your clothes. Is that a good length? You ready? Listen, if you want us to eat stuff, you're gonna have to start pulling your weight and make stuff around here as much as you consume. Hey, are you all ready? You ready to make some banana bread? Help me. So this, you have to line it up with that. Bring your hand. There you go. So see the little knob up here? Look. Right there. And then twist it. And it's locked in. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. So this week we are homeschooling, We've actually been homeschooling for about a week and a half. So today I have Miss Abigail in the kitchen and this is home ec class. We are going to be making banana bread. So let's get cooking. Say, come on. Tell them. Say, come on. The ingredients for this are going to be Pam, butter, eggs, bananas, baking soda, flour, brown sugar, and salt. Okay, so we have our mixing bowl. We have to get our ingredients for our banana bread, okay? All right, so I'm gonna have to look at my phone because I cannot remember what we put in where. This is why I don't like baking, guys. Okay, first of all, we need to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So come over here and let's preheat our oven. So we have to check. Hey, do you see anything in here? There's nothing in there. This is where we hide all the goodies from you. Okay, are you ready? So we're gonna use our upper oven. So hit bake. Hit the bake right here. Push it hard right here. Okay? Now look, it automatically sets it at 350, so you just need to hit start. Push. There you go. Okay, so it's gonna preheat, and while it's preheating, we're gonna get everything mixed over here. I know, I'm so excited. So we need to get our flour, baking soda, and salt in one bowl. So we're gonna put that in this bowl. Come here. Come here. So this is 1 cup, and we need 2 cups of flour, okay? So we're just gonna take our bowl. Yeah, you're helping so much. And we're gonna get 1 cup, okay? Here, let me help you. Okay. Okay, put that in your bowl. Nice. Okay, we need 1 more. Oh, let's not touch it. Okay. 1 cup. Okay, it's close enough. There we go. Okay, now go over to the sink. Look, look. Sensory friendly. Thank goodness this is for the family. Face. Dust off your hands. Okay. So we're gonna just put it in here and then we'll mix it in there in a minute, okay? All right. So we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is 1 teaspoon, okay? And this is our baking soda. So do you wanna help me? You ready? You just slide off the top. Good job. Now dump it in there. Okay. Okay, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So this is our salt. We have quarantine nails right now. Here, let's get this side. You ready? You hold it. Okay. We're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, dump that in there. Nice job. Okay, now I need you to take this and dump it in here. Pick up, oh. That works. Hold on, hold on. I got it, I'll fix it. Baking is going so well. Okay, here we go, girlfriend. Are you ready? Now we're get to do the fun stuff. Okay? I need you to take the wrappers off of those. And then put it in there. Nice. Okay, do the other one. Okay, put your paper over there. Touch anything. I have to see if we have more brown sugar, okay? Can you have hands waiting for me? Hey, can you have hands waiting? Thank you, ma'am. Okay, cameraman, can you watch her?
Yep.
Okay. Don't touch anything.
So, Ab, let's have an interview. Are you having fun baking? Yeah, you are? You have some flour on your face right here. Oh, it's a stressful job. I know. It's stressful. You got... Nope, nope. Good job. She's looking at you like, Mom, really? No more?
Okay, so we're actually out of brown sugar. So we're just gonna take what we have, which we don't need a ton more, but we're gonna just add a little white sugar to it. Okay? I want you to take that and dump it in there. Hold it with 2 hands. Okay? And then dump it in the bowl. Nice job, Ab. Okay. Now I need you to bring your bowl over here. Okay? So here, ooh, are you ready? I have to put it in the right way. Thank you, ma'am. Best assistant ever. Okay, here we go. Take this and you're gonna pull up. Okay, like that. No hands, and then okay, and then you watch it. What do you think about that? Huh? Isn't that cool? You have to wait. Okay, are you ready? We have to get our eggs. How many eggs am I holding? How many? Can you put up 2 fingers? Can you put up 2? 2. You ready? Can you crack it? Look at that. Here, you do the other one. Crack it. Hit it on the side. Okay. Isn't that cool? And guess what, Abby? We have to do the bananas. Just turn it. There you go. Yeah. Oh, is that exciting? Okay. Oh my goodness, the sensory that you would have with this. What are you touching? We do not want the banana peel, just the banana, right? What you touching over there? In just a second, I'm gonna have you push the button, okay? Okay, Ab, come push the button for me. Okay, you gotta lift that up the other way. Push it the other way. Nope, nope, not yet, not yet. Okay, look, turn up, and now push your button over here. That's exciting, huh? Ooh, these smells good, huh? You like it? Woo! Okay, so now, you ready? Come here. Come help me. Okay, so let's take this and pour it in there. Pour it in there. Yeah. Okay. Turn up. There you go. And now push your button on. Come here. Come look at it. Look at it. Okay, so you don't do it a lot, okay? All right, so now you have to take this, take the lid off. Can you help me? We don't want our bread to stick, okay? Let's get a spatula. We need this. Nice, look at you. Okay, we're gonna get this all off of the spinner thing here. No hands. Oh, hard work. Yeah, drink. Okay, you ready? I want you to pour this into our bowl. Abbie, come here. This is the last part. Come on. I lost my sous chef. Come here. Oh. Got it all ready for you. Come on. Here you go. Okay, you ready? Can you pour this? Look. Here, hold your handle. Pour it into there. Okay, ready? You hold it. Are you so excited? You're doing amazing. Look at you. You're paying attention. You're doing so good. Don't touch, okay? I see you looking at it. I'm so proud of you. You're attending to the task. You like cooking, huh? Okay, don't touch. Don't touch. I feel like you're messing with me. You're like, oh, I'm not touching. Okay. Do you think it's ready to go in the oven? So we have to put it in our oven for an hour. Pick it up, take it to the oven. Oh, here, let's hold it like that. Okay, and let's put it in the oven. I'll help you, okay? Okay, come here. Let's set our timer. And then, listen, an hour is 60 minutes. So hit the number 6. 6. 0, 0, 0. And then hit start. Hey, nice job. Thank you so much. Hey, come on. Come on, you gotta hurry. Your bread's gonna burn.
Hey, come on.
Come on, Ab.
Stand up.
Can you grab one? Thank you. Okay, you ready? I'll do this part since it's hot, okay? Come here, hit cancel. Right there, push that button. This one. There you go. Okay, let's see. You wanna see it? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get 2. Come here. Look, Abbie. Oh, can you believe it? Abbie, this looks so good. Okay, I think it's done. Hey, I lost her. Okay, so you have to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll slice it up and I will show you what it looks like and give you Abbie's approval or not approval. We'll see.
What do you think?
Is it the best thing ever?
It's good, right? Are you a little milk for that?
All right, guys, so that is our banana bread recipe. Thank you guys so much for hopping on. Hey, did you have fun cooking that? Aw, she said thank you. Abbie, can you say goodbye? Hey, can you tell them hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't done so? Say bye. Let's not touch it, okay? Hold on, Abbie. Oh. Hold on, hands waiting, hands waiting. Okay, we gotta dust him off again. Smile, smile. Okay, okay. It's hot. Don't take all the different pieces.